We are going to be doing an unboxing and first impression of the KODAK Memo Shot Era. It was an instant camera and photo printer cartridge bundle. Right. Also, the paper color will be white. There's 10 each. See what we have here. Here we have the KODAK Memo Shot Era instant camera and photo printer. Yeah, I'm assuming this is the camera because this one's feels a lot heavier. So let's open the photo paper here. There goes the camera. So it looks like we got 9 rolls here of 10 paper. So I guess that's 90 cartridges here. Put this aside real quick. And then we have the memo shot error of instructions. The camera itself, really in there, which has this lanyard on there. Connection is Bluetooth. Size is 60 by 105 millimeters. 1500 milliamp hour. Thermal inkless printing. The photo size is going to be a 46 millimeter by 69 millimeter. JPG or JPEG or baseline PNG. Weighs 210 grams. Feels very smooth. Goes well in my hand. I guess, here's one way to take the photo. Then we have the USB-C connection, which is not included. When you take a selfie, you can see yourself. First, we got to do is install the app. You can look it up at KODAK Memo or use the code here and check the availability. That's on App Store and Google Play. Let's power it on. There's no roll in there. We won't be able to do anything until we install the cartridge. So first, we open it by clicking open. Oh, it's already cartridge in there. So that's good. One is in there, it's open. But first we need to get the paper out. Make sure this side is up. So a little bit out is good. No paper out. Let's turn it back on. Next is to take a photo. Here we click it. And then we confirm it by pressing the print. It's doing something. No, I think we messed it up. I think that's it. And then we tear it off. Let's move on to the next step. Okay, now it's, I think it's looking, yeah, it's looking for the Bluetooth. We click on it. We will pair. The KODAK Memo shot will need to be charged. It's at 10%. And then you can allow limited access or give it all access to your photos and videos. Gotta be careful here. Permission is required. You need access to your photos to let you choose and print images. Please enable photo permission in your settings. Note your privacy is important to us. Our app does not share or store any personal data. And there's a firmware update that automatically updated without having to be checked. Firmware is complete. App is closing. Reopen the app and restart the printer. Turn it back on. Okay, it is paired. We got a random photo here. You can control the brightness with this setting here. Let's do a quick print. Don't touch while printing. Completed. Please remove the photo paper. Alright, next step will be to use the label. A lot of different fonts to choose from. We got stickers here for emojis, animals, others. Oh, let's see if we can fit a heart in here. Okay, so that'll be separate. Stickers will be separate in the text. Let's make. You can make different. You can make multiple copies by clicking it, scrolling it, but we just need one copy. I print it. Carefully. And this has been the Memo Shot Era MS100.